Hey everybody, welcome back to another wood-shaped video. So today we're going to be creating a charcuterie or serving board, and this is a fairly easy project, and this is something that anyone can do. You just need basically a simple slice off of a log. You can take that piece and shape it down and create yourself a board, and so this would be really a good project for your kitchen decor. I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for being here today to watch, and we'll see you at the end.
Shapers!
Oh hey, so I hope you enjoyed that video. This is really, like I said in the beginning, a very simple project, a simple piece, but yet very stunning, very functional for your kitchen and for when you have guests over and you can just kind of lay out your charcuterie. If you enjoyed that video, go ahead and like it, leave a comment below. Go ahead and get subscribed to the channel if you're not already. We'll be making more awesome pieces like this, and I'm gonna start doing some additional organizational videos. So you're not gonna wanna miss those. Go ahead and click the bell so you get updates for when I post future videos. Until next time, remember to go shape some wood, and we'll see you again soon.